then
I'm looking.
here, it is
And
now
also-
recorded.
Oh, there
Yes,
is
sir.
a button. There's a
But,
button now.
Zayaan, you have a second question. Go ahead.
I can record.
After the meeting is done,
I can record.
can you make
I can
someone?
record. Hold on. I can record.
Hey, Cam, please do not interrupt when Zayaan is speaking. Thank you. Go ahead,
Thank
Zayaan.
you. Thank you, Mr. Kramer. Okay. So once the meeting is done, can you make someone host and can talk?
I will try to do that. I don't know how to do that, but I'm sure you will direct me to do that. But let's get started, okay? Because we only get a half hour together, which is too short for me, but I want to do a lot here today. So I was thinking about your birthdays, okay? Knowing that your birthdays are coming up, do you guys know about the birthday problem?
No. Is the birthday problem because the coronavirus came and birthdays are not the same?
No, but I'll explain it to you. So let's say that you had a special aunt or uncle, or maybe a grandparent, and they said, okay, I'm going to give you $1 for each year every birthday. And let me explain what that means.
My grandma actually does give me $100 and stuff.
Well, we can talk about increasing the amount, but right now let's start with $1. So in year number 1, you would be given how many dollars?
$4.
$1. So you turn 1 year old, you get $1. When you turn 2 years old, you get
$1 or $2.
And the question I have for you is this. When you turn your age, by the way, what is your age right now?
7.
You're 7. So if we go all the way to 7, and by the way, are you going to be 7, Zayaan, as well?
No, I'm be 8.
I'm going to be 8 too.
You're going to be 8. Okay.
I'm going to be 8.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to look at the birthday problem. How many
on my birthday, I'm getting boxing gloves.
That's fantastic. And remember, Zayaan, it's really important, just like I told Cam, that when I am speaking, it's really important that you not interrupt. If you have a question, you wait for me, you raise your hand, and you say, Mr. Kramer, I have a question. That is much better than just interrupting whenever you have a thought. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Zayaan, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because that's really important to me. Now, I'm going to ask you gentlemen to write down the numbers 1 through 8, and I would like you to tell me how much money you would have been given by the time you're 8 years old. So you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. And I'm wondering if you can think of any special algorithms to help you make that calculation. So, Zayaan, you're going to need to start writing the numbers.
Okay.
And please don't call out the answer.
Like what answer? For?
Well, the answer to the problem that I've just asked you. If you have the answer, please hold.
8 plus what?
I don't know. You tell me. What's in front of you? Can you see my screen? What does it say?
8 plus.
8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8.
Okay. start with the big number.
So, have any of you thought of a special method to figure this out? So I'm going to show you something really cool. Cam, what do you have so far?
Just the 3.
6, 7,
I'm sorry?
Just the 3.
You mean you've just done 1 plus 2 plus 3?
9,
No. I did 8 plus 7.
10.
Okay, what is 8 plus 7?
13.
No,
Carry the line.
No,
that's pretty
15.
close. 7
Oh,
plus
15.
6 is 13.
15.
No,
15.
Zayaan, I appreciate that, but remember, you're not supposed to just call out. Cam, if I say to you that 7 plus 6 is 13, then you can say to me, oh, well, yes, I now know that 7 plus 8 equals what? Cam, you can now say
15.
it's 15.
15.
Okay, keep going. I don't really see you doing your calculations right now. I see you drinking Fresco or something.
Yeah, come on. Do your calculation.
7. 27.
And I think when we do this together, you're going to really enjoy what we come up with. And Zayaan, tell me about your thinking right now.
Is that answer 30?
I'm sorry, can you say again, please?
30?
Oh, you think 30 is the answer.
No. Okay, let me cancel it again. I got a little stuck.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
That's great. Cam, why don't you send me a chat right now and with the answer. Send me a chat with what you think is the answer.
Oh, chat?
Yeah.
Go to chat.
And I'm going to show you 2 really fun ways to figure out this problem. Zayaan, how you doing, buddy? Zayaan, how are
Is it
you?
36?
Yeah, Zayaan, did we just have a really important discussion about not calling out the answer? Okay, and I'm so glad that you remembered, but I want you to try to remember in advance next time. So, Cam, what did you come up with an answer for?
33.
Well, 33 and 36 are the 2 answers. Now, we're going to do something really fun right now. Can you guys just put down your pencils, unmute yourself, Zayaan, and let's look. Do you guys see 4 plus 6?
Plus 6 equals 36?
Come on, guys. Do you see
10.
4 plus 6?
Yes.
You know it equals 10.
And
Do you see 7 plus 3?
10.
You know it equals 10. Do you see 8 plus 2?
That equals 10.
Now, how many 10s is that?
3.
What numbers have we left out?
1 and 5.
And if you add 1 and 5 and add it to 3 10s, what do you get? 36. So, gentlemen, this is one of the best ways, but I have something even better for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
The other way to do the birthday problem is to look at 1 plus, whoops, hold on. To look at 1 plus 8. Gentlemen, what do we get?
9. 9.
All right, 9. And then let's do 7 plus 2.
9.
9.
Now you tell me the next one to do.
6
Zayaan?
plus 3. 9.
6 plus 3.
And
9.
and Cam, you tell me the last one.
4 plus 5. 9.
Now, gentlemen, could you tell me what is 9 times 4?
30. 30. 36.
Yep. Zayaan, do you agree that 9 times 4 equals 36.
Please wait. I need to do the calculations.
Okay, you do your calculations. Now, Cam, let me ask you this. So at 8 years old, this uncle or aunt would have given you $36. My question is, how much would they give you when you turned my age?
That's a lot of money.
Wait a minute. Are you saying that I am an old man?
Not old, but getting old because you've got white hair.
Oh, I'm definitely not 8 years old. But let me show you. And Zayaan, did you do your calculations?
No, not yet.
Okay. Zayaan, can you count by 9, Zayaan?
No, I'm almost learning to in my head. Hold on.
Well, can I hear what you have to say?
18,
So 9, 18, keep going.
18, 18, 28.
Well, 28 would be 18 plus 10. 18
Oh.
plus 9 is 20.
Okay, 18 plus 9.
Come on, look at the screen. Look at the screen. That way I know you're paying attention.
27.
There you go. And 27 plus 9. Just add 10, take away 1. Yay! So we know that it works.
36, I mean.
Now, gentlemen, we're going to do Mr. Kramer. Now, Mr. Kramer will turn on July 17th of the year 2021. I will turn 59 years old. Now, when that happens, my aunt gave me $1 when I was 1 year old, and gave me $2 when I was 2 years old, and $3 when I was 3 years old. And by the time I was 8 years old, I had $36 and I never spent it. So I have put that money in the bank for the last 59 years. Now, my aunt has since passed away, but I still get that money from her children every year. So I want to show you how it works. Are you ready?
Yes.
1 plus 2 plus 3, ... all the way to 59, 58, 57. Do you know what the ... means, boys?
Like a long time. So 3 dots means 3 seconds. In reading, so it's a space, like a big space.
Yeah. But if I had to say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, all the way to 59, this is the way I would write it. The ... means that it continues on. So,
I know.
whoa. So this would include all 59 numbers. Now, this is the question that I'm going to ask you. Are you ready?
Yes.
The question I'm going to ask you is this. Based on the way I taught you how to calculate this, how do you think we should figure out how much money Mr. Kramer has now?
Maybe you should do it by times.
Well, what do you think? Maybe we should connect 1 and
59 equals 60.
is 60. Cam, you're doing the next one. 2 plus 58
is 60.
and 3, Zayaan, 3 plus 57.
60.
Now, gentlemen, my question to you, and this is the hard part, how many pairs of 60s are we going to be using?
Well,
And
3. No, 1.
oh, gentlemen,
1.
this includes 4 plus 56 and 5 plus 55 and on and on and on. and there's going to be one number left in the middle. So I want you guys to think about this. How many 60s?
1.
How many pairs of 60s, boys? Come on. What is half of 60? What is half of
30.
So,
30.
so 60 divided by 2 is 30. But do we have 60 numbers?
No.
No.
We only have 59. So how many pairs of numbers do you think we have?
3. I mean 6.
30.
We will have not 30, but one less, which is?
I'm 40. I mean 29.
Yes. Now, gentlemen, 29 times 60 is almost going to be the amount of dollars that Mr. Kramer has. However, do you know what number we would have to add on at the end? What number will not have a pair? You're going to have 29 pairs of 60. And how many numbers are going to be left over? There's going to be one number in the middle. So let me explain it this way. Are you ready?
Yep.
Do you see here how there were no numbers left over? But what happens on your 9th birthday? On your 9th birthday, there's going to be, come on, 1 plus 9,
10. 2 plus 8. 10.
3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. How many 10s is that, boys?
4. So it's 40.
Not 40.
45.
So the sum of those numbers is 45. My question to you is, you know that we had to add on 5 to 40. So 40 plus 5 is 45. Now, if there were 4 pairs of numbers, boys, 4 pairs, and here we have 29 pairs, what number do you think is going to be left over in the middle?
What?
What number do you think is going to be left over in the middle?
Oh, I think I know.
What number, buddy?
3, 33, 43.
49, 45.
Nope. If there are 4 pairs, the number 5 is left over. If there are 29 pairs, the number 30 will be left over. So you're going to have to add 30 to our answer. Now, how are we going to do 29 times 60? Most kids don't know how to do that at age 8. So
I
watch
think I know
this.
how to do it.
Well, you know what you'd have to do? You'd have to write out 60 29 times, and that would take forever. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 60 times 29. But wait a minute. Can't we write 29 as 30 minus 1?
Yeah.
So watch this, boys. What is 60 times 30? And the way
60
you can do
times
that,
30 equals.
wait, Zayaan, can you tell me, Zayaan or Cam, what is the product of 6 times 3? Whatever you get, we just have to add on 2 zeros. So 6 times 3, go write it down. You can count by 6 3 times or count by 3 6 times. And let's see if you can get it right.
Like count 6 3 times or 3 6 times?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I have a loose tooth.
Come on, Kim.
I have a loose tooth too. Over here.
Pam, I do
Stop.
not see you calculating right now.
Calculate,
6,
Kim.
9, 12, 15.
6.
Don't say it out loud, Zayaan. Don't say it out
Oh,
loud.
I think I know.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, on 3, boys. 1, 2, 3.
18.
18.
Now, tack on 2 zeros. And what do you get?
18.
100.
And
100.
but we have to take away what number? What is 60 times 1?
60 times 1. 60 times 1. Oh, 60 times 1 equals 120.
No, that's 60 times 2. What is 60 only one time?
If you count 60 once, 60.
60.
Of course. So, gentlemen, guess what? Mr. Kramer has the answer to this question plus 30. So let's subtract. Ready, go. 0 minus 0 is?
0.
Bro.
And we have to make the 0 a 10 and borrow from the 8 and make it a 7. And let's do 10 minus 6 is?
10 minus
4.
And 7 minus 0?
7.
7.
1 minus 0?
100.
1.
Wait a minute. Let's add on $30. Let's add on 30, boys. And now what do we get? Come on. 0, 4 plus 3.
9.
4 plus
7.
3.
1,770.
7.
Now, guess what? This is what I have. Hold on. I have this amount of money in a bank account that I have had since I was born. Now, I'm going to tell you something. This week, here's what I want you to do. I want you to use our special method of doing the birthday problem and find out how much money your parents would have if they were given $1 for each birth year on each birthday. And then let me know. So what you'll do is you'll say, hey, in fact, Cam, do you know your mom and dad's age? And Zayaan, do you know your mom and dad's age?
I don't know my
Dad's
mom's
age
age. I don't
is-
know my mom's age, but I know my dad's age. My dad's age is 51. He's 51.
So Cam's dad is 51. Zayaan, what about you, buddy?
My mom's 30. My dad's 50.
Okay, so you have 30 and
Oh, my
50.
dad's 40. My dad's 40.
Oh, because you just gave your dad an extra 10 years, and I bet he's really happy to be a little younger. So this is dad, and this is mom. And now, boys, this is your job. Your job is to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all the way to 30, all the way to 40, all the way to 51. And if you want to do a special thing, Mr. Kramer expects to live until he is 100. How much money would I have then? So this is your job this week, to try to figure out my amount of dollars that I would receive doing the birthday problem. And then guess what, Zayaan? If you want to figure out how much money you would have if you got $100 for every year, I think that would
Would be pretty easy.
awesome. Well, it would be really, really awesome to find out. So you guys have fun with this. And now, remember I said that I was going to let you be the host? So how do we do that?
So you go to participants.
and yeah,
And
you press
click on
someone's
one of
name.
our
You press.
names, and then and then there'll be a button called Make Host, and then you click Make Host.
It says allow participants to. No, it doesn't give me that option. I'm going to look at security. Enable waiting room, lock meeting, share screen.
Either way, I
annotate.
have to go. Either way, I have to go.
All right, boys, sorry about that. Can't do it today. See you soon.
Bye.
You
Bye.
can leave. Oh.
Bye, buddy.